Have you ever been in a trade and you thought it was going one way and it all of a sudden just collapsed on you? We have all been there. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at the 50 SMA and how it works in conjunction with the 8 EMA. This is a video on the 1-minute chart as you see here. And as the day gets going, we get to see exactly how this thing played out, and what we're going to be looking at is, again, how the 8 and the 50 moving averages work together in conjunction to show you exactly your entry and your exit points. Looking at the white line, and that's a 50 SMA, and then the green line is the 8 EMA, and what we see here is the exact point where they converge, where they cross one another. And as the 50 crosses the 8 in an upward position, and the 8 EMA starts to roll down, then that's going to show you a bearish signal. It is time to go short. So this signifies your entry point. When these two lines cross, that is your entry point. So when the 50 crosses the 8 and is above it and rides above it, then that shows you that it's a bearish signal. When it's the other way, when we see that the 8 crosses above the 50, we know that we can go long. So what we see here is 50 crosses the 8, and it just shows us it's bearish, and it continues to be on this bearish run. It's just a continuation of this bearish trend for quite some time. A good entry point would have netted you a good trade on this, just this short little scalp. And there's your exit point. You see it right there. When the 8 crosses the 50, you're out, you're done. And then watch it, and then just kind of see what's happening. So you kind of get the idea of what's happening here. You can ride this thing, and just if it sets up perfectly, you can ride it for a while. Anyway, but watching this, you can see it going up and reversing back the other way, and it gives you ideal entry and exit points. I mean, this is probably as clear as it's ever going to get. So it holds true even on the 5-minute chart that we have right here that we're looking at. It's just these two indicators working in conjunction together will give you a clearer picture of what's happening. It works on every time frame, daily, weekly, monthly, hourly, whatever you're trading. This works. So keep an eye on this, and it's especially for scalping, day trading. It is awesome.